This video reviews the Star Trac Virtual Bike assembly procedure. Recommended tools. Step 1. Follow instructions printed on the box to unpackage the bike. Step 2. Tip the bike forward and slide the threaded footplate into the frame. Use a 13mm open-ended wrench to secure the rear stabilizer. Step 3. Return the bike to standing, then install the seat post into the frame. Loosen the seat slider tension lever, then tip the bike backwards. Step 4. Slide the threaded footplate in and use a 13mm open-ended wrench to secure the front stabilizer into the frame. Return the bike to standing. Step 5. Loosen the seat slider tension lever, then slide the seat assembly onto the seat post. Step 6. Slide the handlebar assembly onto the handlebar post, then close the handlebar slider tension lever. Step 7. Insert the handlebar stopper and secure as shown, then install the handlebar slider cap. Step 8. Install the right pedal into the crank arm, then hand thread the pedal bolt into the pedal. Use a torque wrench with an 8mm Allen socket to torque the pedal bolt to 37 foot-pounds. Repeat for the left pedal. Step 9. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the battery cover on the left crank's power meter. Install 2 AA batteries and replace the cover. Step 10. Install the neck weldment into the bike frame. Step 11. Mount the display screen. Step 12. Remove the neck wiring cover. Feed the display wires through and connect the cables to their respective mates. Replace the neck wiring cover. Step 13. Assemble the neck plastic top to the hinge bracket as shown. Step 14. Mount the neck plastic top to the neck weldment, securing fasteners on both sides. Step 15. Assemble lower neck plastics and connect them to the neck plastic top assembly. Step 16. Plug into a power source. Step 17. Adjust the leveling feed as needed so the bike does not wobble during use. Step 18. Connect to a Wi-Fi network of choice. Step 19. The display will auto-update as needed. Step 20. Follow the on-screen registration prompts. Step 21. Spin the cranks to pair the power meter to the display. Ensure you're connecting using the ID etched into the crank power meter. Step 22. Enter maintenance mode by tapping the top left, top right, then top center of the display, then enter 218 for the password. Select Sensors, and then on the Gear tab, select Calibration. Follow the on-screen instructions to calibrate gear. Step 23. Select the Power Sensor tab, select Calibration. Follow the on-screen instructions to calibrate the power meter. Step 24. Exit the maintenance menu by tapping the X in the top right. Step 25. Assembly and installation complete.